Namaste everyone. The early version of the electric bulb was discovered by Thomas Alva Edison. When a light bulb connects to an electric power supply, an electric current flows from one metal contact to the another. As the current travels through the wires and the filaments heats up to the point where it begins to emit photons, which are small packets of visible light. The filament inside the bulb is a tight coil which looks like only about an inch long, but in real it is 6 feet long. Not all metals will emit visible light when heated to extreme temperature. In fact, most will melt before reaching such temperature. Tungsten, however, has extremely high temperature, making it the perfect metal for light bulb filaments. To keep the tungsten filament from catching on fire at such a high temperature, light bulbs are made with all the oxygen sucked out to create a near vacuum. To prevent evaporation of tungsten atoms, an inert gas such as argon is inserted into the light bulb to extend its life. More advanced technologies, including fluorescent lights and light emitting diodes, are much more efficient, generating more light and less heat. We all read about atomic structure during schooling. An atom is a complex arrangement of negatively charged electrons in defined shells, namely k element, about a positively charged nucleus. The nucleus is composed of protons and neutrons except for common hydrogen, which has only one proton. The negatively charged electron discovered by Sir J. J. Thomson revolves around nucleus in different shells having different configuration, namely SPDF. The neutron has no charge and has the same mass as proton. The proton's charge is equal and opposite to negatively charged electrons. A molecule is a group of two or more atoms held together by a chemical bonds, namely monovalent, divalent, trivalent, depending upon the number of electrons present in the outer shell of an atom. A molecule is a group of two or more atoms held together by chemical bonds, namely monovalent, divalent, trivalent, depending upon the number of electrons present in the outer shell of an atom. Due to unsaturated electrons, two atoms react with each other, result in a formation of new molecules. Example is two atoms in the oxygen molecule means homonuclear. The example of heteronuclear is water, composed of more than one element, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Such type of heteronuclear molecule is called chemical compound. The number of electrons present in outermost shell is called the valence electron. According to the number of valence electron, atoms are arranged in a periodic table in a certain row called a period and a column called a group. The noble gases, namely helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, occupies the group 8 due to the saturated electronic configuration or the presence of saturated electron in outermost shell. This is all about the explanation how bulbs lights up. From bulb, what we can learn that if we will be inert with respect to our surrounding environment, our life will increase. Never waste your energy in responding to faults of others. We are too much affected by others' behavior. इसने ऐसा कहा, उसने वैसा कहा, उसने क्यों ऐसा कहा. Whole day we waste our energy in gossips and other things. Save your energy and utilize your energy for good purposes. When we will be inert towards the other behavior, then we will shine like a bulb. Thank you very much. Thank you. Dhanyavad.